Welcome to Bloxified, where the only thing more difficult than Roblox scripting is trying to explain to your parents what obby means. Today, you're about to dive into the Blox Quiz series. Can you code like a pro? Or will you crash harder than a Roblox server during a new update? Time to find out with the Roblox Scripting Quiz. Can you code like a pro? Medium, Blox Quiz, test your Lua skills. Buckle up, because we're about to see if you're scripting genius or just a casual player who can't even spell Lua correctly. And hey, a quick heads up, do not put your answers in the comments, or you'll be banned faster than your character falls off a tower in Tower of Hell. Consider this a friendly warning, or a banishing from commenting forever warning. Your call. Alright, let's get started. Question 1. What is the correct way to create a variable in Lua? A. Var equals I don't know what I'm doing. B. Variable equals I'm clearly a pro. C. Local variable equals I think I'm learning Lua. D. Set variable to this is my variable. Question 2. Which function would you use to print text in the Roblox output console? A. Echo hello world. B. Log goodbye world. C. Print I really hope this works. D. Output why are you even here? Which of these is a correct way to define a simple function in Lua? A. Function my function, print, no one cares, end. B. Def my function, print, it's definitely broken, end. C. Create my function, print, it's fine, I think. D. Start my function, help me, I don't know Lua, end. Question 4. How would you loop through a table in Lua? A. For I equals my table, print my table I end. B. While I left my table, do print my table I end. C. For each element in my table, do print element end. D. Loop my table, print table looped, end. Question 5. What is the default data type in Lua when you create a variable without assigning a value? A. Nil. B. None. C. Empty. D. Oh no, you broke it already. Question 6. How do you create an event listener for a part being clicked in Roblox? A. Part.onClick function, print part clicked, end. B. Part.mouseClick, connect function, print clicked, end. C. Part.touched connection, print part touched, end. D. Part.mouse button clicked function, print stop touching me, end. Question 7. What would the wait for child function do in Roblox scripting? A. Waits for the child's allowance before proceeding. B. Pauses the script until a specific child object is loaded in the game. C. Allows you to request a child's lunch order. D. Makes sure the child object gets a good night's sleep before being used. Question 8. Which is the correct way to create a new part in Roblox using a script? A. New part equals instance.new part. B. New part equals create part. C. Part equals spawn part. D. Create part equals instance.create. Question 9. How do you set the parent of an object in Roblox? A. Part.parent equals workspace. B. Set parent workspace. C. Part.add parent workspace. D. Part-workspace. Question 10. Which function would you use to make an object invisible in Roblox? A. Object.transparency equals 1b. Object.invisible equals true. C. Object.visible equals false. D. Object hide. Mid-video call to action. While you're thinking about the answers, now's a great time to hit that like button and subscribe, unless you want to stay stuck in an obby with no checkpoints for eternity. I mean, seriously, no one wants that. Alright, time to reveal those answers. Let's see how many of these Lua-filled nightmares you managed to survive. 1. C. Local variable equals I think I'm learning Lua. You're definitely learning, but probably just the basics. 2. Print I really hope this works. If you didn't know this one, are you even scripting? 3. Function my function, print no one cares end. Functioning like a pro, just not like a good pro. 4. For I equals 1 my table, do print my table I end. Looping through life like a seasoned coder. 5. Nil. The mystery that is Lua, where things just vanish. 6. Part touched, connect function, print part touched, and you're touching parts now? Classic move. 7. Pauses the script until a specific child object is loaded in the game. It's like waiting for your favorite pizza to arrive. 8a. New part equals instance.new. Oh look, you made a part. Now what? 9. Part.parent equals workspace. Parent-child relationships in scripting. How wholesome. 10. Object.transparency equals 1. You're invisible, and hopefully not too embarrassed. Scoring system. 10 out of 10. Blox Grandmaster? You're a Lua legend. You can probably code a game while blindfolded, can't you? 8 to 9 out of 10. Blox Pro. Almost there. Keep flexing that Lua muscle. 5 to 7 out of 10, on the path to Blox greatness. Still a few bugs to fix, but you're almost there. 2 to 4 out of 10, casual gamer. We're not mad, just disappointed. 0 to 1 out of 10, noob status activated. Someone get this person a manual. Stat. Final call to action. How'd you do? Drop your score in the comments and share with a friend to show them how much better you are at coding. Think you're brave enough for the next quiz? Or are you too scared like a newbie in Bloxburg trying to make their first house? Only time will tell. Stay tuned. The next quiz will challenge your skills in ways you never imagined. Or maybe it'll just give you a headache. Either way, don't miss it.